update for Réunion on Cyclone Berguitta, which is located at 17.4 south, 64.1 east as of 7 PM Réunion time on January 13th. It has winds of 45 miles an hour and 997 millibars pressure. It's way off towards the northeast, but is expected to arrive later this week and could deliver some significant impacts to all of the Mascarene Islands. This is what the forecast is calling for right now as we enter the new week. The storm developing out towards the east there, and then stalling perhaps a little bit, and then moving towards the southwest, and could affect Mauritius and Réunion significantly, possibly with hurricane force winds by Wednesday, Thursday, but that is somewhat speculative at this point, and that could change. Right now it looks like this. It's around 150 miles or less from Rodrigues, the island of Mauritius. 45 miles an hour, 997 millibars. It's a stage 2 on the CDPS scale. No warnings are in effect for Réunion yet, although there are rain warnings that are currently in effect, but no cyclone related warnings at this point. This is what we expect. Chances of storm conditions remain very low as we spend the weekend, and you can see a little bit of rain coming here and there, but as we enter Monday, Tuesday, you can see on the right hand side there the cloud will be coming in from the cyclone, and then later on still we don't quite know what's going to happen, but the chances will be rising as we enter the later part of the week, Wednesday and Thursday, as at the moment the storm is projected to pass pretty much directly over the island. But as I say, that could change by a significant margin because that is a whole 5 or 6 days out. Current sea surface temperatures in the area are very warm indeed. 26 degrees is the threshold for tropical cyclone development. It's 27s and 28s in the area, and that means intensification could be possible around there. Here's the wind shear graphic, the dark blue showing the lowest amounts of wind shear, and that's good for the storm. And as you can see, the storm is in those areas right now, so intensification is on the cards as long as it doesn't run into any of those higher amounts to the north. This is how the storm's been looking on satellite imagery today during the daylight hours there, which has just about ended. You can see the storm's been progressing towards the east, towards the west rather, and the infrared views looking a little bit bare on the southern side, but overall the storm is getting its act together and the wind speeds we believe are increasing. But this is the latest imagery, and you can see where the islands are in comparison to the storm. Still some distance away, but it will draw nearer as time goes on. It will be a fairly slow tracking storm by our standards, but these storms can happen indeed. You can follow Force 13's outlets for more. The website force13.com, which is still under reconstruction right now, but check it out anyway. You can also find us on YouTube. Subscribe if you haven't, search Force 13. Same too for Facebook, like our page on there, and you can also follow us and tweet us on Twitter, search Force 13 all in text. You can also add our official Skype account Force 13 and add Fool 13 extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat with my personal account.